All right, it's bubble making time for science. We are doing bubble mix 2 for our first recipe. And so that is 1 cup of water, four tablespoons of dish soap, 2, 3, 4, and 1 tablespoon of glycerin, which is some type of oil from vegetables. Oh, this is a brand new bottle. I don't think I need to take the cap off. Yep. Oh, it's very slippery, this stuff, and sticky at the same time. One tablespoon. Okay. And we're going to stir it together. All right, there's the first mixture, first recipe. I'll show you how it works in a second. Second recipe is Bubble Mix 5. And that one we need, again, 1 cup of water, only 2 tablespoons of dish soap, and 1 teaspoon of glycerin or corn syrup. We're going to use glycerin. And then, not everyone might have this. Now, this last ingredient everyone might not have. It's xanthan gum, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. It helps make things thick. I use it because my daughter used to be allergic to egg, and it's a way to do an egg replacement. And that was 1/4 of a teaspoon. And then we mix this one. Oh, it's not splitting up. Let's see here. Another recipe said to warm it. I wonder if that's, this recipe didn't say that. It said cool water, but that is not thickening. We'll see. All right, and then the last one is to make giant bubbles. And that needs a lot. We need 6 cups of water. I might need a bigger bowl. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me see, what else am I adding? Then 1/2 cup of dish soap, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, baking powder. All right, so yeah, I think we're gonna move this into a bigger bowl so we don't run out of room. That's 6 cups of water. So another recipe where I'm thinking I might have to microwave it because I'm afraid the stuff's gonna clog up. All right, here's 1/2 cup of dish soap. There we go. 1/2 cup of cornstarch. And 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Remember, baking powder, not baking soda. And 1 tablespoon of glycerin. And then we're gonna mix that one together. Oh, it actually is dissolving all easy. Not like this one where the gum stuff is not dissolving. So I do not have good hopes for this recipe. Unless you make your water warm, which it did not tell me, so now we've got this stuff that's not splitting up. Yeah, it's not. All right, so there's our recipes. This is a simple bubble mix. This one's supposed to be for, to try to touch your bubble, and this is to make big bubbles. All these recipes have different purposes. So at first I'm just gonna take a small wand for us to test it out. So here's my magic wand, put it in the water. Oh, it makes a nice bubble, I think. That was good. Oh, there we go. Now the second recipe. Oh, still makes a good bubble. I was worried with that.
Look at stuff.
Yeah. So that makes a good bubble. All right, and then our big bubble. Maybe it only works with a big bubble, so let's see. We'll get a bigger thing. Here's a bigger bubble thing. Ooh, that did make a big bubble. All right, and then I'm going to try in the other one. If we can blow multiple bubbles. And let's see if it makes bubbles just by waving it. Oh, just a tiny bit. Try again. Not as good for that. Let's try this one. Whoa, I like the bubbles coming out of this one. Let's see if it will do the, oh, and it does good with the spinning test. And we already did it with the big bubbles, right? Oh wait, we were supposed to see if it goes this way. No, not good. So far I'm not very excited about the big bubble consistency. As a matter of fact, I think these two work the best. And next time, if I made this one, I would make it with warm water so that examine gum would melt in it better. So I think bubble mix 2, which is one of the easiest ones, 1 cup of water, 4 tablespoons of dish soap, and the glycerin, or cornstarch, from what I understand, works as a good alternative. This bowl with the cup of water, dish soap, glycerin, and the exam gum, I thought was a better recipe. This big bubble recipe, I don't know. I am gonna try to pour this out, and I am gonna show you guys how to make your own big bubble by yourself with rope and sticks that you can make a huge bubble. So maybe it'll come in then, but I definitely like these two mixes better. And for how simple this one is, to me, that's the best one. I hope you liked our experience with bubbles, and I hope you make some bubbles today.